Booking.com reservation not showing, how to fix missing booking. If you want to fix if the reservation is not showing on booking.com, there could be a couple of reasons for that. So first, you want to start by launching booking.com app, and this is the interface you will be able to see. Now from here, basically the reservations that you book should be shown on the bookings tab. So if you tap on the bookings icon from the bottom of the screen, here you should be able to find all of the bookings that you have, the active ones, the past ones, or even the cancelled ones. But if your booking or reservation is not showing here, it could be that your reservation is not properly booked. So for that, you have to simply research for that particular property again, and you can simply select the dates and hit the search button, and you can find any property of your choice, and you can simply select any type of rooms or any type of extra facilities that you want, and you can confirm the booking. Some properties might allow you to book even without having to pay upfront, so you should be able to find the disclaimer within that particular section as well. But if your reservation is complete, then you can go to the bookings tab and try to confirm to see if it is showing here. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.